How to tell if you're blocked by someone on Snapchat. What's going on, guys? Regal here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple tricks that you can utilize to figure out if someone blocked you on their Snapchat account. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first tip to find out if someone blocked you on their Snapchat is that when you send them a Snapchat, if the Snapchat icon turns into pending, you automatically know that they unadded you and then probably blocked you on their Snapchat account. Having the pending symbol on your Snapchat as you send someone else a snap is a pretty obvious sign to say that the other person has blocked you on their Snapchat. Now, if the individual that you're inquiring about doesn't have the pending symbol when you send them a snap, but if you're still curious to find out if you're actually blocked from them, the next tip is simply searching up their username within the Snapchat search feature, and if you go ahead and try to add their account and Snapchat doesn't let you, that's another clear sign to say that the other person has blocked you on their Snapchat account. Now, if the other person's Snapchat username doesn't even show up when you type in their name, then that's also another way to figure out if that person has blocked you. So yeah, pretty much that'll conclude up today's video. The 3 tips provided in this video are the only ways to find out if someone has blocked you on their Snapchat account. If you want to find out if someone else has blocked you on their Snap, simply utilize either of the 3 methods provided in this video and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys said go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal and I'm out. Peace.